Okay everyone, so now in this next video, let's try to have some score text inside of our game canvas, and I'm just going to use also some Google font. Let me just go search for Google fonts. I just want to add some title, and I've already found some fonts that I want, but you can try to choose whatever font you may want. And I have Pixelify as one of the fonts that I'll be using. So if you try to search for Pixelify, this is the one that I'll be using for this example game, and I'm just going to import. So you will see I have two Google fonts here that I'll be importing into a CSS folder file. I'm just thinking that we can create some sort of a CSS folder that will contain a styles.css. Then we can apply this import, and we can also go and have that font family. So you would see I have two font family, but I'll be utilizing of a body tag here. And then let's have to go work with adding some CSS styles. So just for testing things out, I'm just going to go add a div element here that I'll call title. And I'm just going to call this rider glitch. And we want to target that title. And I just want to have a, let's say I want to go and have a margin 0 or auto. And then let's just use display block also. And this is just for testing, just for us to see some sort of a title that we'll be able to see on top. As you can see, we're seeing that title there. And I think we need to also make sure that we have our link to the styles.css for us to be able to implement the stylings that we want. And we do see that the font is now getting rendered. And let's see, we can also, I think we can also say that we want to have a text align center. Let's also target the, let's turn this into an H1. Usually search engines, if you're going to be working with web development, you always need to have some sort of a heading in your document. And now we have that rider glitch, and it's rendering the Google font Roboto. If we want to try to test out the other font, let's try to switch this in order. Let's go and implement that. And now we have that rider glitch pixel type of text that is getting displayed on our browser, right? And we can, I think we can also try to reset. Let's give this a margin 0, and let's have a padding 0, box sizing border box. And let's go back to our browser and test how that will look. So we now have that rider glitch title on top of the middle of the canvas.